How to use the sticky contacts. In this video, we'll be reviewing how to use the sticky contacts feature and how it works. Sticky contacts allow you to save cookies from a lead and synchronize all the information across multiple forms and surveys that they have previously entered. This is especially useful if you have an initial opt-in leading to a calendar or an appointment page, or a step to an order form. First, let's review how to toggle the sticky contact feature on and off. Navigate to your form builder. From there, you can open an existing form or survey, or you can create a new one. Once you have the form in front of you, go to where it says Options, and then scroll down and you'll see the sticky contact feature. You can toggle that on or off. Click Save to confirm the changes, and then of course you can continue to update the form or survey and save any additional changes. Then you can integrate a form or survey. Please note that if you're filling out a form for a lead, for example, and you're texting them on your phone and you have the sticky contact enabled, you want to make sure you're using a browser in incognito mode, because if you don't, every time you open that form or survey, the previous lead's information will populate and the system will think that the lead is trying to enter into the system. Again, if you're not in an incognito browser, make sure you clear your cache and cookies each time that you fill out the form for a lead. So this is how the sticky contact works and how you enable it within your system. That's all for now.